It got hot again. And who's there? Enrico came. When she saw Enrico, she started being cute. Uh-oh, because a bird made a sound. She's always happy when she sees me or Enrico. It's okay, it's just Enrico. Oy oy, no daddy, stop now, it's enough. The stomach, the tummy is, a vulnerable area for a cat. They usually don't show it to people they don't trust. I came down now too to say hello to Freyja. She likes to relax here. This is one of her spots. Look at her. She has pink and black pads, the leather part of her foot here. Oi, oi. There's an alarm, like a car alarm going off, and a lot of noise right now.